Welcome to an exploration of how the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, or MBTI, influences our problem-solving styles, especially in the rapidly evolving fields of cognitive science, data science, and artificial intelligence. Problem-solving is at the heart of innovation. But how much of your approach is determined by your fundamental personality type? Today, we're bridging the gap between psychology and data to understand this intersection. The MBTI categorizes personality across 4 key dichotomies: energy orientation, information gathering, decision-making, and lifestyle. Understanding these 4 pairs is crucial to seeing the whole picture. We'll see how these personality differences translate into distinct preferences for handling data, modeling complex systems, and designing AI algorithms. It's about matching mindsets to methodologies. Let's start with energy orientation. Extroversion versus introversion. This dictates where we draw our energy and how we prefer to interact with the problem space. Extroverts, or E-types, often thrive in brainstorming sessions. Their problem-solving benefits from external data, talking through ideas, collaborating, and testing hypotheses in a dynamic, outward environment. They favor communication in data validation. In contrast, introverts, or I-types, prefer reflection and internal analysis. They need quiet time to process complex data structures and build robust models internally before externalizing the solution. They favor depth over breadth in initial exploration. Next is information gathering, sensing versus intuition. This is perhaps the most critical dichotomy in data science, determining what kind of information we prioritize. Sensing types, or S-types, are grounded in concrete facts, detailed data points, and established step-by-step processes. In AI, they excel at data cleaning, quality control, and ensuring the model's input is reliable and tangible. Intuitive types, or N-types, look beyond the surface data to focus on patterns, future possibilities, and abstract concepts. They are the visionaries, strong in hypothesis generation, identifying novel algorithms, and predicting future trends. Our third dichotomy is decision-making, thinking versus feeling. This governs how we evaluate the information we've gathered to reach a conclusion. Thinking types, or T-types, prioritize objective, logical analysis. Their goal is efficiency and truth, often making tough decisions based purely on data outcomes, which is vital for system optimization and performance tuning in AI. Feeling types, or F-types, make value-based decisions, focusing on the impact on people, ethics, and fairness. They are essential for ensuring AI systems are built ethically and that data models minimize bias and maximize positive human outcomes. Finally, we examine the lifestyle dichotomy, judging versus perceiving. This affects our structure, planning, and approach to managing the problem-solving process itself. Judging types, or J-types, prefer a structured, planned approach, setting firm deadlines and organizing processes meticulously. They are the architects of the project timeline, ensuring documentation is complete and milestones are met on schedule. Perceiving types, or P-types, prefer flexibility, adaptability, and keeping options open. They excel in iterative development, continuous feedback loops, and quickly adjusting strategies based on new data or changing project requirements. When we combine these preferences, we see how different MBTI types naturally fit into various stages of the AI and data science lifecycle, from data collection to model deployment. For instance, an ISTJ might be the detail-oriented data engineer, ensuring data integrity. An ENTP might be the innovative ML researcher, generating novel algorithms. Every profile brings unique strengths to the team. The best solutions arise not from uniform thinking, but from leveraging this cognitive diversity. A balanced team, spanning all 4 dichotomies, leads to more robust, ethical, and comprehensive AI solutions. In closing, understanding your MBTI type and the types of your team members is not just psychological insight, it's a strategic advantage in the world of data. Remember, your personality shapes how you approach every problem. From extroverted brainstorming to introverted reflection, sensing facts to intuitive possibilities, thinking logic to feeling values, and judging structure to perceiving adaptability. Self-awareness is the first step toward optimization. By recognizing your innate cognitive preferences, you can better select roles, manage teams, and ultimately develop smarter and more ethical data science and AI applications. Thank you for joining us.